Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Infiniti QX60 with a key. First, make sure you have your key fob readily available. Before attempting to start the engine, always confirm that your vehicle is securely in the park or neutral gear. This is a crucial safety step. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. This prepares your QX60 for ignition, ensuring a smooth and safe start every time you get behind the wheel. Your Infiniti QX60 key fob offers convenient remote functions. To use Remote Start, first press the lock button once. Then, press and hold the Remote Start button for about 2 seconds until the engine starts. This is perfect for warming up or cooling down your car. To unlock your doors, simply press the Unlock button on the fob. It's a quick and easy way to access your vehicle, especially when your hands are full. If your key fob battery is low or you prefer a manual start, it's straightforward. Locate the physical key hidden within your fob and insert it into the ignition slot. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, allowing the dashboard lights to illuminate. Then, continue turning the key to the start position. Once the engine engages, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position. If your Infiniti QX60 isn't starting, first check your key fob battery. A low battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent ignition. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key if it feels stuck. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, and a good water bottle makes it easy. Keep your vehicle well-maintained for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.